All right, seniors. Here's what we got going for Tuesday, May 19th. First, complete the May 19th due now assignment. Second, once you finish the Mind Over Money documentary, that wasn't very long. It was only about 50, little less than 50 minutes. And you had all last week to do it. So once you're done with that and the reflection, then we'll start the first reading from the financial markets unit. So complete the chapter 11, section 1 assignment, and that is due on Thursday, May 21st. You'll find that reading in the resources folder in this unit, and that's all you have to do for Thursday. You've got plenty of time to get things finished up. If you're missing work, I'll take anything. Let me be clear about this. If you're missing anything, I don't care from what part of this unit, I really don't. If it's going to positively affect your grade, please turn it in. I really am hoping that some of you can pull it out here in the end and that the majority of you maintain that A or B that you already have. But let's buckle down wherever you're at, make a jump forward here this week, and if you need help, just ask. Thanks, guys.